Hey guys, Chris with Systainer USA. Let's talk about the insert options for the XXL Systainer. So first up, we have the Kaizen foam option. Now the XXL is a very big Systainer. You know, it comes in a 237 millimeter or a 337 millimeter height. You may actually want to stack these up, especially if you have a big piece of gear kit you're trying to transport. Next up, we have our soft foams. We have a vaulted lid foam. So this is egg crate style, very soft, very pliable, can go in the lid and will compress and put pressure on whatever's inside. And then we also have a very soft base foam as well. We also have an XXL pick and pluck foam. And the way this is going to work is you're going to lay out whatever it is you're trying to store in here, trace out the shape, and then simply cut through the pre-scored lines here, remove the little squares that you want to remove. And then last but not least, we have a mounting plate. So it's a hard plastic plate with slots already in it. And it also comes with a roll of Velcro strapping. And so what this is designed for is for storing a chainsaw inside of an XXL. You can actually then strap it down both the front and the back and transport it that way. Those are the options we have for the XXL inserts. Check it out at Systainer.store, and thank you for watching.